Protech Automotive Solutions is an industry leader in providing diagnostic scanning and calibration services to auto body repair shops. Our team provides expert services and innovative solutions that help automotive repair providers keep their customers safe. Our origins date back to 1993, when Protech Electronics started serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Protech's technicians began installing vehicle audio equipment, repairing steering columns, and providing vehicle cosmetic services. Throughout the years, we've continued to provide services and find solutions to address vehicle technology and automotive repair challenges. In 1994, the Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, mandates onboard diagnostics for all 1996 vehicles, and Protech launches mobile services. The team provides repairs, replaces dashboards, car audio equipment, steering columns, and vehicle electronic systems related to theft and vandalism. In 1995, the National Highway Safety Administration, or NHTSA, mandates passenger airbags for all 1999 vehicles. That same year, Protech provides services for vehicle airbags and acquires diagnostic tools to start scanning and solving diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs. In 1997, Protech provides additional services to dealerships and expands coverage in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. In 2000, the early stage of ADAS features were introduced to the automotive industry. In 2001, Protech develops custom diagnostic computers for vehicle scanning solutions. In 2004, Protech expands coverage to the San Antonio area. In 2005, Protech offers mobile tire and rim replacement services. In 2008, Protech expands coverage to the Austin area. In 2009, Protech expands coverage to Oklahoma. In 2010, Protech expands coverage to the Houston area. In 2012, Protech expands coverage to Florida. And the Protech team begins providing calibration services for vehicles. In 2014, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, mandates reversing cameras for 2018 vehicles. In 2017, Protech Electronics transitions to Protech Automotive Solutions. The Protech team adds full-spectrum ADAS calibration services and begins partnership with Caliber Collision. In 2018, Protech develops proprietary ADAS stations for on-site static calibrations. In 2020, autonomous vehicles and features become more prevalent in the automotive market, and Protech increases service coverage to 20 states in response to ADAS features becoming more prevalent in vehicles. In 2021, Protech expands service coverage to 33 states and continues to be in the forefront of advancements in vehicle diagnostic scanning capabilities. That same year, the automotive market experiences a resurgence of electric vehicles. In 2022, Protech develops the ADAS ID Cubed solution, triangulating data to save shops time by identifying needed ADAS calibrations tied to vehicle damages, all backed by original equipment manufacturer, or OEM standards. In 2023, Protech expands coverage to 41 states. Today, Protech Automotive Solutions continues investing in the research and development of solutions and partnerships with automotive technology companies to keep drivers safe. As automotive technology and repair processes rapidly evolve, our team of dedicated experts is committed to providing innovative solutions for auto repair shops and giving lives the all clear.